Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to back up your data using this pretty cool application. It's really simple. Also, if you could do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. It'll really help this video out. I want to show you a pretty cool application, Second Copy. Now, Second Copy is automatically going to back up your data. And I'm using the evaluation version, but in the past, I've recommended this application to some of my clients. 10 years later, they're still using the application. Pretty powerful stuff. Now, when it comes to backing up, I'm pretty horrible with that. I got sessions in my hard drive, and that could lead to a disaster. If the hard drive fails, I lose those sessions. So how does it work? Well, really simple. We're gonna right click, new profile. Now I like to use the custom setup. You can use the express setup. It's gonna determine your most common used folders and all that stuff. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it at custom and I'm gonna go select next. So we're gonna look for the source folder. So I have a couple of folders here. I got this folder here called Mix Now. I can actually close this. I don't need that anymore. I'm gonna copy that there. So it has two options. All files and folders, only selected files and folders. I'm going to select the first one. Destination. So the destination, it's actually my backup, which is my P drive. It's an external drive. I'm going to paste that there. I'm going to select next. And here, do you want to start backing up when you shut down your computer, when you start up? How many times a day you want to run this program? Or do you want to run the program yourself? Now remember, this is actually backing up your data. So you don't want to record or do anything like that. You're going to run into some errors. For now, we're going to keep everything at default. I want to make this process really simple. Here's a couple of options. Simple copy, exact copy, move, compress, exact compress, and synchronize. I'm going to select the first option here. Now I'm going to call this PT data. Now I forgot to mention this. This application also has the capability of detecting changes. So now we're going to press finish. And now it's starting to copy the data from my mixed drive over to the external drive. As you can see, this is a pretty powerful application. You can set multiple profiles to back up, document your pictures, download folder, whatever you want to back up. So I really hope you enjoy this video. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.